we need to get the setup application. And the setup application is just a set of ticking tag GUI application, which will run in a Python virtual environment so that it doesn't affect the Python installation on your PC. So this is the repo to get the setup application. This is the name of the setup application. And I'll just be following the steps to run it on my PC. Now I'm using Ubuntu 22.04 LTS operating system. Now to run the application works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. Also ensure that the FTDI driver is installed on your PC. For those that are using Ubuntu 20.04, usually the FTDI driver is usually it's usually installed already. And also, you know that you should have a working Arduino, a working Arduino also on your system. Then also Python 3 is installed. Python 3, pip3, yeah, they are all installed. And also, then you install this virtual environment. So once you have that, those are the prerequisites to use it. Then also the last part is to ensure you have the driver module interface with the gear DC motor and connected to the PC. That's exactly what I've done here. The driver module interface with the motor and it's connected to the PC via the FTDI programmer. That's basically what I've done. So I've met all these prerequisites. So the next thing will be what? To run the application. So now the first step to running the application is to either download or clone the repo. I prefer to clone the repo, which I'm going to be doing. I'm going to copy it and clone the repo. Now there's a test folder. I'm using this test app folder is where I'm running my applications. Let me just open it down. So I'm going to cd into it. So if you have any, you can create a folder that you want to copy and clone it into. So you can create it, but this is the folder I'm creating to do right. So just wait for it. So now once that is done, let's follow the next step, the next processes. Next step. So once it's downloaded or cloned, we have to change directory into the root folder, that is the SMC setup application, and then create a Python virtual environment named .env in the root folder. So we'll quickly do that. I'm going to change the directory into this. Then I'm going to copy this, create a virtual environment, wait for it to set up. Yeah, so that is done. Then we'll activate the virtual environment. So once it's activated, you notice this .env will appear here. So the next thing, we'll install all the necessary requirements. That is the modules that needed to be installed will be installed in this virtual environment. So that's what we're going to do. Just wait for it, wait for some time for it to install. So once everything is installed, then we can run the application. So you notice now that the application, this is the application. So to connect, so you can always refresh, then connect. You should see the FTDI port appear. To connect to it. It takes about 5 seconds. So everything will be connected. Yeah. So that's just how to start the application. So I can set, because it's the first time, just reset all the parameters. So once you reset all the parameters, you click the reset button here. Click the reset button on the controller, then you close the application.